Everything you can test with tCheck 3, flower, concentrates, and every infusion. tCheck 3, full breakdown of what it can actually test. Most people think tCheck only tests oil or tincture. It actually tests a lot more than that. Raw flower, concentrates, isolates, and every infusion type you can think of. In this video, I'm going through every single thing you can test with tCheck 3 plus how accurate each one is. Let's get into it. Introduction. tCheck 3 uses UV spectrophotometry, the same core technology labs use, to give you a real potency number in about 2 minutes. No lab, no waiting. Here's everything it covers. Number 1, decarbed flower infusions. If you've decarbed your flower and infused it into alcohol, butter, MCT coconut oil, or olive oil, tCheck reads the potency to within about 4 milligrams per milliliter. This is your everyday edibles and tincture making category. Number 2, raw flower. No decarb needed, and this one surprises people. tCheck can test dried raw flower directly, no decarbing required. Sativa, indica, hybrid, even hemp. It'll tell you the potency within about 3 percentage points. One honest limitation, it can't test hemp specifically for that 0.3% THC. A legal threshold? Worth knowing if that distinction matters for your situation. Number 3, isolate-based infusions. If you're working with Winterized THC or CBD isolate, mixed into alcohol, butter, MCT oil, or olive oil, tCheck reads that at an even tighter accuracy within about 2 milligrams per milliliter. This is the category serious home producers use most since isolate work tends to demand the most precision. Number 4, Winterized concentrates BHO, shatter, butter, crumble, diamonds, resin, distillate, crystalline. tCheck tests THC and CBD content across all of these, accurate to within about 7 percentage points. If you work with concentrates at all, this is the category that saves you the most guesswork. What can you actually make with this? So what does knowing your exact potency actually let you do? Make what you love for less than dispensary prices and get the dose right every time. Gummies with consistent, predictable strength. Brownies and cookies using your own infused butter or oil, dialed to your preferred potency. Infuse a batch of oil or butter once, then stretch it across multiple recipes. Even mocktails and cocoa. A measured pour of infused oil or tincture for a mellow, controlled experience. None of it works without actually knowing your number first. How accurate is it really? tCheck is HPLC calibrated, the same reference standard real labs use, and over 400,000 tests have been run across 58,000 plus devices sold. This isn't new or unproven. The math on cost a single lab potency test typically runs $50 to $150. tCheck pays for itself after about 4 to 10 batches, and there's no subscription, just the reusable tray, which you hand wash and use again and again. How it works. Here's the whole process. Pick your test type in the app, add your sample to the tray, slide it in, press start. About 2 minutes later, you've got your number, accurate, repeatable, and yours to keep testing as often as you want. So that's everything. Decarbed infusions, raw flower, isolates, and concentrates, plus a 30-day money-back guarantee if it's not for you. If you've been guessing this whole time, this is the easiest way to actually know. Links in the description. Thanks for watching.